Hello guys! Good evening from Portugal. Hola! Boa noite! I have Christmas tickets, presentes de Natal, Christmas presents in English. I have ticket number 33 to 33 to 42. Tenho o número 33 a 42. Vamos começar! Let's start! Matching number outside Portugal, and if you uncover the symbol Pai Natal or Santa Claus, we're looking for 23, 21, 33, 24, 25, 29, 32, 21, mahay, winner, 26, 13, 31, 16. ¿Cuánto? Oh, Lord have mercy. €2. Okay. Ticket number 42. Ticket number 41. We're looking for 12, 25, 11, 21, 33. Ay! I found the symbol! Wow! Pai Natal! Wow! I found the symbol, guys. This is a win all. A win all. A win all. How much I could win? I could win 100, 20, 100 or 20. Let's hope this is 100. At least once in my lifetime. Of course. Dois. Okay, so this is a €20 win, guys. Wow. €20 win. Wow, Pai Natal. What a beautiful symbol, guys. This is a win all, Pai Natal. There is 100, but of course, they don't give me the 100, they give me the €2. As always. Okay, so 2 in a row. Wow. Let's hope this is 3 in a row. 3 in a row. We're looking for 15, 11. 19, 23, 21, 35, 17, 22, 30, 12, 24, 25. So this is not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 39. I already look through, guys. I spent 20. Gasté 20, gané 22 so far. 14, 28. 20, 28, winner. Wow, it's a winner. 29, 22, 17, 23, 16, 27, 30, 20, 26, 28, €2. Okay, so I got 24 so far. Wow. Let's go to 38. We're looking for 27, 18, 13, 33, 20, 32, 24, 17, 19, 15, 26, 29. No. I'm in a hurry, guys. Ticket number 37. We're looking for 22, 27, 29, 26, 25, 11, 28, 19, 21, 13, 30, 14. No. Ticket number 36. Let's hope I can find one good win. 34, 12. 21, 33, 30, 24, 20, 32, 16, 35, 18, 34. ¡Ay, 34! How much? €4. A lot of wins, guys. So I got 20 plus 4, 28. I think the plumber will come. I will continue, guys. Where are we, guys? The plumber came. Oh, Lord mercy. So, let's continue. Vamos a comenzar otra vez. Okay? 37. Where are we? I'm in 37. 22, 27. No? So, let's go to 35. The plumber, guys, from Brazil. Okay? He fixed the toilet flusher for 5 minutes, €75. It's very easy to make money if you are a plumber, guys. In Europe, 5 minutes, €75. Plus, you're gonna repair my father-in-law's apartment and my husband's apartment. So I think he'll make a lot of money. But he's a professional plumber, guys. We're looking for 29, 23, 24, 27, 15, 14, 11. Sorry, guys. 22, 28, in Portuguese números. 31, 20, 19. At least I can find one more win. I'm so greedy. Ay, Jesus. We're looking for 14, 20, 35, 19, 22. Yes, this is 20. 14, 20. Ay, Jessica. 14! Wow! I found a lot of win, guys. 21, 32, 18, 23, 14, €2. Okay, not bad, guys. I found a lot of wins. So I think it's already 30. Okay? Here, the last ticket. We're looking for 27, 26, 31, 21, 16, 29, 29. Ay, 27! Wow! I bought the nice section of the book, guys. I found a lot of wins. I only bought 10 in a row. 23, 25, 28, 22, 18. Wow. How much? €2. Okay, so not bad, guys. I found €2. €2. Mais 23. €2, 4, €4. Mais 20. Ganhar tudo. Win all. If we uncover this symbol, guys, Santa Claus head. Pai Natal. Cabeça do Pai Natal. 20. 24. Okay, one much here. 28. How much here? 24. 26. 26. Mais 4. 30. Imais. Find, no more? I think I found one more win. Oh, one more win. 32. Okay, so seis raspadillas con premios. 4 raspadillas now tenían premios. 6, I bought, compré 10 raspadillas. I bought 10 tickets and 6 winning tickets. 6 raspadillas tenían premios. Y 4 raspadillas now tenían premio. Okay? So it's a good win, guys. I found 6 winning tickets out of 10 tickets. Nice! I spent 20 and I won 32 euro. So, 12 euro lucro. For 12 euro profit. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the flammer, guys. Brazilian flammer disturb me. It's like you're in the middle of romance and suddenly somebody rings the bell. Joking, guys. Okay, ciao. The most beautiful win. Copy money wins. But it's okay. It's 20 euro win. Okay, so this is a good win for Portugal 3, guys. Ciao.